highest common factor, usually known as HCF, is the highest, maximum or largest common number which is a factor of 2 or 3 numbers. There are 2 or 3 methods to find HCF. The simplest possible method is that if we have to find the HCF of 4 and 8, what we will do, we will make the factors of 4, all factors of 4, and these are 1, 2, 4, all factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. So the highest common factor of 4 and 8 will be 4. Another example, HCF of 12 and 30, all factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 3 4s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12, all factors of 30, 1, 30s are 30, 2, 15s are 30, 3, 10s are 30, in the table of 4, 30 doesn't come, in the table of 5, 5, 6 are 30. These are the all factor of 30. Now we have to find the maximum number. This is common in the factors, this is common in the factors, this is common in the factors, this is common in the factors. From these common factors, okay, we can find here common factors first. Common factors which divide 12 and 30 are 1, 2, 3, then 6. Highest common factor is 6. So 6 is the highest, maximum, largest common factor in both 12 and 30. That's why it is called HCF. The next example, I shall explain this example with 3 methods. The first method we have just done, all factors of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15, all factors of 60, 1, 2, 3, 20, 4, 15, 5, 12, 6 and 10. Okay, these are the factors of 60. All factors of 75, 1, 75, 3, 25, 3s are 75, 5, 1s are 5, 6, 7, 15s are 75. In the table of 6, 75 does not come. In the table of 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. So this gap is filled. There is no other number. So when we will find the common factors, 1 is common, 3 is common, 5 is common. Okay, after 5, 15 is common. So you can see from these common factors, highest common factor is 15. I shall do this question with 2 other methods. The first method is ladder method with separate ladders, and then we can have a combined ladder of these 3. Okay, if I make separate ladders, the ladder of 15 is, I shall take the prime factors 3 5s are 15. 3 cross 5 for 15. For the ladder of 60, I shall have 2 30s are 60, 2 15, 3 5, 5 1. So I have for 60 prime factors of 60. Here I can write prime factors of, in case of 60 I have 2 cross 2 cross 3 cross 5, and when I shall take the factors of 75, I shall have 3 25, 5 5s are, and I shall have 3 cross 5 cross 5. Our answer was 15. Here we check the highest common factor. Highest common. This is common in all three. This is common in all three. These two numbers and this number is not common, so not the part of answer. So our highest common factor is again 3 cross 5, that is 15. The third method, I shall make the ladder of all these three at the same time. I shall take the prime factors, those prime factors which are common for these three. I cannot do it with 2 as there is only one even number 60, rest of 2 numbers are odd, so I try with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 20, 3 2s are 6 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now I have only one factor left which is common in these three. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So the ACF is again 3 cross 5, that is 15. When we have bigger numbers, we only go for combined ladder. For example, if we have 77, 91 and 143, you can see for these two you have 7 as a factor. 7 11s are 7, 1s are 7, 7 13s are, but this 143 is not divisible by 7. So if I do with 7, it's 11, it's 13, but it is not divisible by 7. So we cannot take 7 as we have to take the common factor of all. So if I go with 11, I can do only this one, 7, and I can do only the last one, that is 11 1s are 11, 13 14 12 13 14 33, 11 3s are 33, but I cannot do this with 11. So this number 77 has only two factors, 11 and 7. If I do with 11, I can do two numbers with 11. If I do 7 with 7, I can do only two numbers with 7. I have no other option. So these three numbers are only divisible by 1, and we have the ACF in this case. ACF equals to 1. Another example. ACF of 60, 180 and 210. It's not easy to make all factors of these three. It's not easy to make the separate ladders of these three. So I shall make the combined ladder 60, 180, 210. I shall start with 2 as all three numbers are even. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 9s are 18, 0. 2 1s are 2, 0. 2 5s are 10. I will not take it as 15. 2 1s are 2. 1 is less than 2, so I shall combine it with 0, but I shall have a 0. 2 zeros are 0, then 2 5s are 10. Don't write it as 15, otherwise it will be wrong. Now this is even, this is even, this is odd. I try with 3. After 2 I shall come to 3. 3 10s are 30, 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 3s are 9 and 15, 3 5s are 15. Now it's even, it's odd, it's not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 5, This is also divisible by 5. It's also divisible by 5. I shall do it 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. Now these three numbers can't be divided by a single number. So my ACF is 2 cross 3 cross 5. 6 2 3 are 6 5s are 30. 30 is the highest common factor of 60, 180 and 210. When I shall divide 60 with 30, I shall have 2. When I shall divide 180 with 30, I shall have 6. When I shall divide 210 with 30, I shall have 7. Okay, if we have to find the ACF of numbers which are given to us in index notation form, that is 2 power 3 cross 3 power 2 cross 11, and these are the prime factors of two numbers, 2 cross 3 square cross 5 cross 11. So when we have to find the highest common factor, we shall compare 2 with 2. The highest common factor will take the smallest power of 2. The smallest index or power of 2 is 2 power 1. You write 1 or you don't write 1, it doesn't matter. The highest common factor will take smallest power of 3. Both have 3 power 2, so we shall have 3 power 2. Here is a 5, there is no 5, so we shall not take 5. Here is only 111, there is only 111, so we shall have 11 in our answer. This is the highest common factor of two numbers which are given in index notation form. We shall take their smaller power, and if there is a number which is in 1 but not in the second, we shall not take it in ACF. Another example, 2 power 4 cross 11 and 2 power 3, 2 cross 3 power 3, 2 cross 19. So the ACF will be 2 power, if we compare, 2 power only 1, no 3 in the ACF as there is no 3, no 19 in the ACF, there is no 19 here, no 11 in the ACF, there is no 11 here, so the ACF will be only 2.